starting the lab, make sure that a TA is present. The first thing to do when starting the lab is measuring the atmospheric pressure using the barometer. You will also take a pressure measurement at the end of the lab to make sure that there is no dramatic pressure increase or decrease during the duration of your experiment. Heat some water for use later in the lab. To do this, add a beaker to a hot plate and a magnetic stirrer as well as some water. Turn on the hot plate as well as the magnetic stirrer. We do this when we're adding water to solutions, and we use hot water in order to not fracture the glass of our apparatus. Afterwards, turn on the cooling bath to 20 degrees Celsius and make sure that the flow control is open.
Once the system has reached steady state, record the temperature of the system and the temperature of the water bath for your data sheet.
When you're finally ready to take your samples, open the cabinet to the system and then start by draining 15 milliliters out of each valve. Save this liquid as it will be recycled after the sample is taken. The reason we recycle that fluid through is to clear the line so we get a pure sample. We're going to do the same thing with the distillate. Once you've taken your sample, you're going to want to cap it as soon as you've taken it, just to ensure that there's no vapor escaping. Once you're done taking the sample, make sure to return your valves to the original position so the system maintains steady state. Then turn off the system so you can add more fluid. Wait for the bubbles to stop being produced in the column, meaning no more vapor is coming off the top. So then you can open it up and pour in the rest of the fluids.
Each sample is then analyzed using a refractometer as laid out in the composition analysis bulletin. If the reading is above 1.3900, the solution must be diluted.
Once our system has stopped bubbling, and we can see it through the slit on the glass in the front, we can then open the apparatus back up and unscrew the thermocouple at the top. Once this is unscrewed, we use a funnel to then recycle our previous streams and to add the water to continue diluting our solutions. Once the water's added, we're going to want to remove the funnel, put the thermocouple back in, ensure our flow paths are correct in our system, and then turn on the heat again. After we've added our water, we're going to want to check that our liquid level is between this mark here and this valve here, which right now, it's right here.
One of the tips to run the lab is to analyze the sample quickly, avoid the evaporation. To do this is to cool the sample in the water bath.
Although there are no noise hazards during our lab, you might want to wear earplugs due to other labs that do have noise hazards. Once you're finished taking samples, turn off the heat to the system. Let the system cool slightly before draining out the fluid.